This video is actually meant for those of you that have been asking me why my last previous video on deepface was freezing while I was making deepfacelab, why I was trying to swap my face in that video. Now, I made mention in that video that the reason why that was happening is because my Core i7 16 gig, which is this laptop, HP NV convertible. This is a tablet 15 inches. It does not have a GeForce Nvidia graphics card. This laptop has Nvidia 620. But in this video, I am going to clear all your doubts. I am going to run deepfacelive in these two systems so that you guys will see for yourself. I just got this system. A friend of mine came back from US and he brought in like 15 systems. By the time I met him, it was remaining only 3. So I collected the 3. I told him that I'm going to pay him for the 3. Now, within 4 days, I collected the 3. So many guys have been writing me on my Telegram channel, and I told them to wait, that whenever I get a good laptop that can power my softwares, I will let you guys know. Now, out of that 3, 2 has gone. Is only remaining this one, and whoever is lucky will get this particular laptop. But I am going to show you all the configuration of this laptop before we start. This is a pure gaming laptop, Republic of Gamers. When you compare this Core i7 16 gig laptop, this is a mad laptop. I bought this laptop brand new for $1,700. That was 6 years ago. And the laptop, the only thing I've changed in this laptop is only the battery. Everything, no problem at all, from US. This one is open box from US. This one is latest generation laptop. GeForce Nvidia Ryzen 7 3750 processor, the latest processor. Graphics card, double graphics card, AMD and Nvidia. I'm going to show you all that, and I am going to run deepface in these 2 laptops right in this video. I wouldn't want to waste much time in this video. The very first thing we are going to do now is run deepfacelive so that you guys will understand. But before we do that, let me go and show you the configuration of this particular laptop. Now let's go to my PC, right click, properties. You guys can see this is Asus AMD Ryzen 7 3750 with Radeon Vega Mobile GFX 2.3 gigahertz. Okay, now installed memory is 16 gig, 1 terabyte of hard disk. Anyway, if you open this PC, what is here is 475 and 465, which is 1 terabyte, because Windows has collected some of the space. So, and now when we get to this laptop, which is my Core i7, the one I'm using, if you go over to my PC, let's go to my PC here, right click on it, and properties. You guys can see this is TM Core i7 8550 CPU 1.8 1.99 gigahertz. Now when you go to hard drive is 500 gig of hard disk, 464. Okay, fine. What we are going to do now is open deepfacelive. Let's run it together. You guys can see the 2 screens are divided. Now this is deepfacelive, and this is deepfacelive. Now, what I'm going to do now is right click on this, click here, right click on it, put my hand on open, and right click on this one, put my hand on open. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to hit open on this deepfacelive. If you've installed deepfacelive in your system before, you will understand that this is a heavy software. It does not work on even if you have a graphics card. If your graphics card is not up to 4 gig dedicated, it might be very slow. But this system is 6 gig dedicated, double graphics card. Now, I am going to hit open on these 2. This is open, this is open. Now, open. You see? This one is already running. This is done very fast. This is still loading. You can see it's still loading. It's still loading. It's still trying to load the model now, but this has finished loading all this while. So you guys can see how fast this system processed this large software within just few seconds. Finished processing it, and this one was still delaying. Now I'm going to move over to this laptop. I am going to work on this laptop because this one is going to kill all our time in this video. So I'm going to focus on this because this one is quite faster than this. Let's focus on this. let me test deepface on this particular platform. Now, for those of you that still wants to get laptop like this is open box laptop. This laptop is not brand new, but it's open box from United States, assembled in United States and shipped from United States. And this is crazy. This is gaming laptop, Republic of Gamers, Asus. This laptop comes with every of its accessories, charger, everything with external camera. It's not brand new, but it's open box, but very clean, just 3 months old from the first user. So for those of you that still wants to get this kind of laptop, make sure you join my Telegram channel and write me on Telegram channel. And the advantage of buying most of this expensive laptop from me is, since I have friends that brings in laptop from United States, not just only this guy, but when I saw this laptop, I was really, marveled. I was like, this three is going with me, since you're going back to the United States very soon. Now, for those of you that wants to get this kind of high laptop from me, bear in mind that since these guys are my friends, this deepfacelive, before I buy your laptop, if you give me money to buy a laptop for you, I run this application on the laptop to make sure that this application is running on that laptop before I purchase it. Unlike you going to a shop, you can't install any software on the laptop unless you pay for it. And if you pay for it and get home and install the application, if it's not running perfectly, you will not blame anybody. The only thing you will go there and change it. If it's a brand new one, you must use it like that. So if you're buying from me, be rest assured that this deepface will be working on your system, because I am going to run it before I pay. That is one. And once I buy the laptop, I will use 2 days or 3 days to come down and install everything, the necessary software that is needed for this software to run very smoothly. So I am not saying that you cannot buy outside, you have to buy outside, but bear in mind that if you're buying from me, I am giving you laptop from United States, not laptop from China. Laptop from China works perfectly. Laptop from China is awesome, but if you buy laptop from America, you will understand what I mean. So all the laptops I deliver to my subscribers, to anybody that is buying laptop from me, is from US. I don't deliver any laptop from China. Yes, they sell laptop in AliExpress, but I don't buy those laptops for those of you that wants to join this online training on how to make an image to talk in a live video, swap face and everything, full body. I can't give you China laptop because I don't want trouble. Tomorrow you might call me, boss is hanging, he's doing this and that. I don't want that kind of stuff. Once you're able to buy my laptop from the United States, you have your peace of mind. You don't need to worry me for anything. But if you don't have enough money to buy the ones from US, you can purchase the one from China or from all these vendors that sell laptops online, or even Computer Village, or even, any place you can buy any laptop, but make sure it's 4 gig or 6 gig dedicated. To be very honest with you, one guy wrote me and the guy was like, bro, I have Core i7, blah, blah, blah. I said, I have Core i7 also. 16 gig RAM. My laptop is machine. My laptop is awesome. But if you compare this laptop to this laptop, it's like I am using Beatron, and this is Bugatti Veyron, the same car Bonner Boy is driving. So you might still see a laptop of 1,000,001 brand new, 1,000,002 brand new, but this one I'm selling it for 1,000,004, and I've sold 2, is remaining 1. Now if you go to market, this is 1.4. This is not a brand new laptop, and you can even get this, something like this, brand new laptop for 1,000,000, 1,000,001, 1,000,002, which is cheaper than a fairly used laptop. But let me ask those of you that are watching this video, if somebody bring in a brand new 2023 Honda for you, and another person bring a Bentley or Rolls Royce or Bugatti Veyron, 10 years old Bugatti Veyron, second hand, and put the two and ask you to pick one of the cars, which one will you pick? Let me ask you, those of you, drop your comments in the comment section below this video. I want to know, which car will you put, brand new Honda 2023 and Bugatti Veyron 2010 model, 2010 model, or Rolls Royce 2010 model, which one will you pick? Sometimes it's not all about buying a brand new thing, it's about the things inside the device you're buying. This one is a very good laptop. This is a very good laptop. This is awesome, but the only thing that spoiled this particular system is Nvidia GeForce Graphics card. What this laptop has is Nvidia 620. Nvidia 620 is nothing. Even if you compare the features of this one to this one, this is better because this is touch screen, this is a tablet, this is not a touch screen, this is not a tablet. This laptop As you're seeing it here, this is a laptop, but I can decide to fold this laptop. That's it. This is it. It's a tablet. You guys can see. That's my laptop. You can decide to bring out the keyboard in it, and you'll be typing it like this. So, those of you that wants to get good laptop that will not give you problem, join my Telegram channel by scanning the barcode you're seeing in front of your screen, or by clicking the link, my Telegram link in the description below this video. So we're going to jump right into this system and focus on only this system. Let's work on this system. Let's see what this system can do, how fast this system can process video on a live video, swap your face and do everything on a live video. So now what I'm actually doing is, I don't want to run this software and at the same time run my OBS Studio. Is going to give the system double work. It will be recording. OBS Studio is a graphics system, and at the same time it's still running deepfacelive. So I am not running OBS Studio. I'm only using deepfacelive, and you guys can see the light is quite very far from me. You guys can see that anything I do, the software is actually following up, although sometimes it takes like 3-4 days before this software gets very compatible with your system. This is the very first day. It's just about an hour ago that I installed this software. It's still trying to get used to the system, but for now, you guys can see if I raise my hand up, it's following. It is actually following. Okay, if I do a thumbs up, okay, and I have not still worked on this software. I've not done the necessary setting. This is just the default setting. So what else am I going to do now? Let me look for a cup. I'm coming. Let me go back a little bit and go get a cup. So I have a cup here. All right. And let me keep it. I have an eyeglass here as well. You guys can see. Let me put on the eyeglass. So now that I've not done any setting, the light is still not very close to me. If not, my face will be very clear, but it's still very clear, okay? It's still running on a very good, the movement is quite very sharp. If you compare it with my HP laptop, the movement is quite very sharp. As you guys can see, I'm recording with another phone, because I don't want to be running OBS at the same time running the software. It will give the system a lot of loads. So it's quite a very good software. This one, you can see, raise your hand, it follows everything. The movement is quite very sharp, not minding that the light is not very close to me. So guys, that's it. For those of you that still want me to get a laptop and run this program on your laptop, or you want to install this program, okay, join my Telegram channel. I'll be there for you guys, although it's quite expensive. If you can afford it, fine. But if you cannot afford big system, there are systems of 650, 700 that can still do this. Okay, but it won't be 6 gig dedicated RAM. Maybe you will get 4 gig and all that. So don't just have in mind that you must have $1 million plus before you can get such a laptop. There are laptops of 650, 700, 800, 850, 1 million that can still do this. But if you want to buy a laptop of 300, 400,000, go and get it yourself. 500,000, go and get it yourself. I am not interested in getting that kind of laptop because it is not going to do this. So if you have any question, drop it in the comment section below this video. But please make sure you join my Telegram channel. If you still have the system and if you want to run this model, it's just only $100. People are selling it for 200, 250, but I am not going to rip you guys off. Okay, I make it very easy for you guys to, I make it very easy for those that have the system requirements to be able to get access to the software and how to run it, how it goes. I will teach you everything. Now, if you want to run your model with the actual picture you want to use to create this, I will teach you how to do it. I'm not going to run it for you because it takes 24 hours or 48 hours to run it. So I won't be doing that. Okay, that will take much of my time. And most of you wouldn't want to spend that money, but I will teach you how to run the model as well. You can run it with your system. Then if you don't want to run it, if you feel or if you want me to run it for you, fine and good. You can contact me for me to create your model for you. And I will tell you how much I will take to create one model. One model takes 24 or 48 hours to finish creating it. It's a very long thing, but if you want it, fine and good. So guys, I would like to hear what you guys feel. Is this okay? Would you like to get this kind of system? Is this kind of system very okay for you to run this? Drop your comment in the comment section. If you have any question, please drop your comments in the comment section. But if you have any personal question you want to ask, join my Telegram channel and write me directly to my Telegram personal profile and I will reply you. I might not reply you immediately because I am getting so many questions, so many people writing me. I appreciate that. Okay, I really appreciate. I love the communication, the energy you guys are bringing to this channel. I really, really appreciate. We're just a few months old, but we're going to like 7,000 and we've not even gotten to 6 months. It's just so crazy. I appreciate all of you. I love you guys. I love you all. And I want you people to keep on communicating with me. Let's grow together, learn together, and so that you guys will also give me tasks so that I will explore on many more things. So this is all I have for you in this video. I will see you guys in my next video. You guys should stay creative and remain blessed. And if you're watching my video for the first time, my name is Aswiken Nakesli, and on this channel I give you tips and solutions on how to make money online and other relevant tips that helps in our daily online space. But during the weekend, I make sure I give you updates on new games and apps in the virtual reality space. Guys, you guys should stay safe, okay?